Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to make you aware of a new file that I have in my shop, a digital file that includes 2 full-size 8.5 by 11 sheets, as well as 3 PNG ephemera pieces that you can use how you wish. And it is, I call it Specimen Annex because it is kind of an add-on to one that I already have in there called Specimen. And so if you just type those in the search bar in my shop at Etsy, clmemporium.com, there's a link below, you should be able to find that. So here's the Annex. Now I did cut these because I was going to make a quick project today. This was a full-size page, so it's got these gorgeous little specimens here with little washi tapes, and you can even cut these, you know, out as well if you just kind of, you know, go like that or whatever, and use those as little backing pieces or little stamps or what have you. But that's a full-size sheet, and then this is the coordinating sheet. Let me hold it right side up here. So it has kind of this blotchiness with this pattern peeking through. So I really like how that turned out. And then the 3 PNG pieces that you get are these. I just happen to put them on a sheet to print, but you can put as many as you want on there. You can resize them and so forth. So you get 3 individual ones here, which are mimicked in the paper. And again, this coordinates with another paper pack with 6 full-size sheets that are just beautiful and great for junk journaling, cards, all sorts of things. So today I was just going to make a quick little bookmark. This is using Studio Light's Grunge collection. This is number SLGRCD199, and if I can find it, I can try to leave a link below. It comes with this, it's easier to see probably in the back here. It comes with 3 layers for this big one, and 3 layers for this like torn note one, and then this bloom little frame word die that comes in pieces, so you don't have to use that all together. Great. I love Studio Light. So what I have here are the pieces. Let me put my paper down here, not that there's a clean side. So I chose to cut it out of that paper. I have a black backing, and then I'm going to put that on that craft card, and then it's great for tucking in journals. You can write in the back as journaling pieces. You can add all sorts of things to it and make a bookmark out of it. Whatever you can think of. And I love how they include all the layers in their die sets. That's great that you don't have to worry about fiddling with the measurements or what have you. Alright, so all different kinds of ways you can use these. Of course, you can use these papers as journal pages by trimming them down to whatever size you're using. You can print one on one side, one on the other side, and make double-sided paper. And like I said, you can even add these onto other sheets that you have, and what have you. So lots of different ways to do things. Just wanted to show that quick little bookmark there. You can put line this on the back with some parchment and do some journaling on the back there, and you can punch a hole and make like a tag out of this as well. Great little set, and I thought it complemented my Specimen Annex. Just wanted to make you aware of that. Check out those links below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.